Sir, please, may we come to meet you? Will you introduce yourself, sir?
I'm Chief Dr. Celestine Ugochukwu, Medical Director of Optimal Specialist Hospitals.
Which hospital, sir?
Optimal Specialist Hospitals Limited at 9 Baja Street, Surulere, Lagos.
Okay, sir.
And also Ejigbo, Ejigbo.
Okay.
Ejigbo, Ejigbo.
Sir, why are you here today, sir?
I'm here today to celebrate the end of the year. Hello? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
So, I came here to celebrate the end of the year 2025 with the Onyeze and the chiefs and elders and the Igbo community here in Ejigbo, and with our friends. We came to celebrate the end of the year party, and we thank God that it was a very successful ceremony, and we are praying that the new year will meet us in peace, and God will grant all our prayers in the new year. And that the new year will be better than this year.
All right, sir. So, what is your advice, candid advice to the Igbo community in Ejigbo vis-a-vis their relationship with the host community? What is the advice to the Igbo residents in Ejigbo?
My advice to the Igbo who are residents in Ejigbo, who are residents in Lagos, and who are residents generally outside Igbo land, we should be very nice as much as possible to our host communities. We should assist them in every way we can assist them, and we should get their friendship, their loyalty, and support in all our endeavors. We are known to be very peaceful everywhere we are. If you look at everywhere you see in Igbo, outside Igbo land, you will never hear that Igbos started any problem or started any war or started any conflict anywhere. It's not in our character. But of course, that doesn't mean we are cowards, or if you fight us, we won't fight you back. But generally, we prefer peace, we prefer prosperity, we prefer progress for ourselves and for the host communities. That is usually our goal. Thank you.
So, what would you wish Oyendundi ASN Nwoye on his 19 years leadership as Oyendu or Eze? What are your wishes?
Well, I first of all congratulate him, because it's not easy to lead your family. It's not easy. But to lead the whole community for 19 solid years could not have been easy for him. So I congratulate him on the achievement, and I wish him many more years of good leadership of Igbo and Ejigbo, and very cordial relationship with our host community, with the Oba and his chiefs. There's also a chief there, his other chiefs, and that together we all continue to make progress in our individual lives and in our communal existence.
Thank you very much, sir. So, your name once again, sir.
I'm Chief Dr. Celestine Ugochukwu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.